Make a great choice today with
The 2026 Encore GX. The Buick Encore GX provides plenty of space and functionality with its compact SUV body. The Encore GX also provides plenty of safety features and a wide variety of options that you can upgrade to.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, traction control, electronic stability control, brake assist. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.